Hey there, friends. Today I want to show you how to create a screencast from your iPad. So there's a secret hidden screen recording feature in an iPad, and to get to it, you got to start in your settings. So open up your settings, and then go to Control Center. So we have right below General, and under Control Center, you'll see Customize Controls. So select Customize Controls, and if I scroll down a little bit, I see this little plus sign next to screen recording. So I'm going to choose that. And that puts screen recording up in the top part of my control center there where I have timer, notes, camera, and screen recording. So now I'm going to close out of this. And to get to that, those options, what you got to do is swipe down from the top right-hand corner of your iPad. You swipe down and you get your control center. And then right there at the bottom, that little target-looking symbol is screen record. So you can record your screen either with or without audio. So the audio feature is actually hidden, and to get the audio to turn on, you want to tap and hold on the record button, and you'll see microphone choice. So you can turn the microphone on or off. Once it's on, now it's recording. So I can tap on the main screen, tap again to go back to my screen, and remember, it's recording everything you do right now. So I could open up Keynote, for example, and present just like I would normally present. So here's my presentation. So to present a keynote, you just talk and present as you would normally and flip through the slides, and it's recording everything you do. Another option is to open up Notability, and you could use Notability to explain problems on, say, a PDF worksheet live. So you could, choose a pen. I'm going to choose a different color, and you could actually solve, work out math problems or talk your way through solving a problem with a student or for students to view at a later time. And so you could do this and save this video and then send it out to students. Now this would work for students as well. So they could turn in assignments, they could turn in presentations to the teacher through Google Classroom or Schoology. So that's how you create a screencast using an iPad, and I hope that was helpful.